In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GitHub to Notion using the Notion AI connector. To get started, open Notion and go to your workspace settings. This is where you manage the tools, integrations, and overall configuration for your workspace. If you're setting this up for a team, it's a good idea to make sure you have the right permissions before you begin, since some connector settings may only be available to workspace owners or admins. Once you're in the settings area, look for the section related to AI connectors or connected apps. The exact wording can vary a little depending on your Notion version, but you're looking for the place where external services can be linked to Notion. Take your time here and make sure you're in the correct section because this is where the GitHub connection will be created and managed. From there, choose GitHub as the connector. This tells Notion that you want to bring GitHub content into your Notion AI experience. Connecting GitHub can be especially useful if you want to reference development work without constantly switching between platforms, since it allows Notion AI to work with information connected to your repositories. Next, sign in to GitHub and approve access. You'll usually be redirected to GitHub's authorization page, where you can review what Notion is requesting permission to access. Read this carefully before continuing, especially if you're working with private repositories or organization-owned projects. Once you're comfortable with the access being requested, approve the connection to continue. After that, select the repositories that Notion can access. This is an important step because it lets you control exactly what information is available through the connector. If you only want Notion to work with certain projects, choose just those repositories rather than granting broader access than necessary. Keeping access limited can help with both security and organization. Once the connection is active, you can start using Notion AI to ask questions about your GitHub issues, pull requests, or code base. For example, you can use it to quickly surface relevant development context, summarize project activity, or help locate information across connected repositories. The more intentional you are with repository access, the more useful and focused the results will be. Finally, review the connector permissions from time to time and remove access if it's no longer needed. This is a smart habit for keeping your workspace secure and making sure only the right tools stay connected. And that's how to connect GitHub to Notion with the Notion AI connector.